Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a nice Assa Ruko 2 padlock. I don't think this one's seen a lot of use. It's in very nice condition and bitting on the key is quite nice. So all works just as it should, nice and smoothly. So there we are, all locked up. Let's get this in the vise, see if we can get inside it and have a look. I'd imagine it's probably got Assa pins through it as they normally do, and we're using the SSDev deep hook, so nasty little pins in here. It's hard to keep the pick on the tip of the pin, so nothing on one. Little click, 2 clicks on 2, 3, 4, that seems like all of it. Nothing on 3, that's solid. Click on 4, and nothing on 5. One is particularly difficult to get the pick onto. Right, let's click on 1. Nothing on 2. That was 4. Nothing on 3. Right, 5, and we've got a tiny bit of movement on the core. Another click and another click. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, and we're open. So as I said, quite a tricky little pick. Let's get the vise out of the way. Pinning tray in, just the camera, right, and this should have a star drive in it. There we go. So luckily I've got the right size one. All that. Stuck the pinning tray the wrong way round. And the Ruko cores have this bit in the back, which is what holds the core in place. So ease that out. Where are we? Pins are up there. Follow up. And there we go. All 5 pins. 3 didn't really need picking hardly at all. Probably the tiniest little touch. But all nice and flush, and I don't know if we can see, we actually have threading in the core, so not done with a tap by the looks of it, because they are circular, so they haven't been tapped in, so our grooves all the way round. So we have a standard, 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 and if we can see those grooves properly. So I imagine they're there to catch the Assa pins, but we'll have a look at that in a second. and one Assa pin, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 springs. Get all those the right way round. Let's have a look at one of these pins against the core. So it doesn't actually bite in there that much. You can feel it, but you see the lip on the bottom of the Assa pin. Are we focusing? Yeah. But then I imagine when that's being picked, that's where all the clicking is coming from. So standard set of Assa pins. Like I say, fun little bit, quite tricky. So there we have the Assa Ruko 2. Hope you all enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.